morning. Hey, Legend, I see you back there. Cutie patootie. Drop them damn things out to way home, but I can do it on the way to the gym. Thank you. Good morning. Is it me or do y'all be forgetting? Do y'all ever forget how old y'all are?
Are you serious?
Because I be forgetting how old I am sometimes.
Oh my goodness. How many po-pos is it?
Where? You see one? Because I'm not supposed to be having my phone in my hand. Not in Georgia. I didn't got a ticket with having my phone in my hand. Sitting at the light. Sitting at the light at that. I just need to be forever 21 at this point. At this point, I just need to be forever 21. Not been good on time, Legend. We have not been good at on time. Little boy. Do I need to start waking you up a little earlier? Huh? Legend? I'm taking my son to school. Do I need to start waking you up earlier? Because timing has not been good all week. Today,
not all week.
Yesterday.
Not all week.
Yesterday and today.
Not all week, though.
That's the week. Monday and Tuesday. So, Legend, in your sports book bag, I got all your ethos little gear you can put on. I got your ethos arm thing or your leg thing. Wherever you decide to put it on, you can put it on your leg, you can put it on your arm. I got your shit. Your socks is in there, your shins is in there. It's in your room, in your drawers. Your cleats is in there. So, can you fit them, or you gonna need bigger sizes? But they cool for now, for practice. Alright, cool. I'll buy you some more for your games and stuff. Because y'all about to already be starting to play games. Like, I think next month.
Huh?
September, like y'all first game. Where? How you be seeing? Oh, I see it. I'm like, how you be seeing the police and I don't? Gym was good yesterday. The gym was pretty cool, smooth yesterday. Let you about to be 8. About to be 8, boo. Your friend's birthday coming up, ain't it? Wanted to come over? For what? He said that's it?
Yes, but
huh?
He said yes.
What made you talk about that? Huh? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You smart for packing your umbrella because look, it's like it's about to rain. You always pack your umbrella. Are y'all ready for this streaming stuff? Are y'all ready for me and Blue to start streaming y'all on Kick? Are y'all ready for this? That's what I need to do. When I get back, I need to work on that little Kick shit. I'm always up early. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Even on the weekends, I'll be up early. I can't sleep like late. My body just naturally even if my body just naturally wakes up. I used to be waking up right before 7 for real. I'm waking up before 7. I'll be waking up before my alarm go off. But I want to be the type to start getting up earlier. Like, I want to start getting up at like 5:45-ish. That's a whole nother type of time, man. Wake up at that time.
3 hours, like 4 hours.
Because I want to start getting up and just being up and, you know, I could be reading my Bible or praying.
I've been wanting to do that.
On my phone, checking my emails, on the computer. I could be watching a TV show, making breakfast. I just want to start getting up a little bit earlier, like 5:45. I feel like, because when I get up at 7, I automatically have to get Legend up for school, and then it's like on to the next. We get him ready, get me ready, we off out the door. I feel like if I get up lollygag a little bit, get myself ready, then get him up, get him ready. I feel like timing would be much better. I really want to get on that type of time. Like, I really want to get on that type of time. For real, for real. Go ahead. Go ahead. I really want to get on that type of time, for real. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, last night, I was in bed before midnight. Like, you know, like, I need to start going to bed maybe a little bit earlier. I usually be home for the most part. I don't be doing nothing. I be at home. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see how I do. Everything I do is for you. We about to park at the church. I'm about to walk you so you won't be tardy. I'm trying to get you there at before 8:15. Trying to get you up there. You hear me? Because yesterday you got tardy. And you was there at 8:15. I'm trying to get you here a little bit before. We here now. So I guess
Class?
no. To the door. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to start getting up a little bit earlier. I'm gonna try to get up at 5:45 and see how I do. I ain't gonna hold you. On Blue's birthday, I woke up at 6 a.m. and cooked breakfast and did all that. I still ain't have enough time for all that. I made a huge breakfast, though. I made a big breakfast. I made a big breakfast.
It was a big breakfast.
I did cook a big breakfast. It was so good. It was so good.
It was a big breakfast.
Everything I do is for you. You getting so big now. Alright, you ready? Be ready to hop out. Be ready to hop out. Be ready to hop out, Jack. Be ready to get up on out. Come on. I'm talking about big book bag in hand. Let's go. Be ready. Let's go. I made salmon croquettes, turkey bacon, scrambled eggs with cheese, croissants, fried potatoes. Come on, just come on, grab your stuff. Grab your water bottle. Fried potatoes. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got your water bottle? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I forgot to put my thing on. My arm. Yeah, I'm trying to get you up here. Some pep in your step. We getting these steps in. We getting our steps in. You want this jacket on? Or you just want to hold it in your hand? Good morning. We out here. I'm trying to make sure if that's everything that I did cook though. Salmon croquettes. Oh, I made grits. Fried potatoes. Scrambled egg with cheese. Bacon. Well, turkey bacon. I don't eat turkey bacon, but I made it for everybody else. It was so good. Come on, Pooh. Because we got 2 minutes. Come on. Yes. Now we got 1. Good morning. Yeah. Well, I thought that was you starting to run. Here. Who's Montavious? Come on, Pooh.
No.
You need to go in there and tie your shoe, too.
It's so hot again. Wait, where you going? It's so tight. Bro, why are we in the city?
Come on, go. Cross. Cross.
We good across, y'all.
Cross.
Good morning, good morning. Happy
Good morning.
We good across, y'all.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Come on, man. Let's go. Get in that line. Go get in that line with everybody else. Good morning. How you doing? Have a good day.
And then actually have to like come all the way down and you could have been left.
No, I want to make sure I walk you all the way down. How about that? I love you. Let me tie your shoe. Hold my phone. Watch out. Get off of your shoe. Lift your shoe up. What is going on? Oh, she know everybody's name. All right, go ahead. Love you. Have a good day. Aw, good morning. Today, what's where? It's Tuesday. They should be used to this. We're in the 3rd week of school. Have a good day. Love your hair. Have a good day. Have a good day.
You got time tomorrow?
I got this. This walk be something, I tell you. I'm glad I did walk him because this line is long as fuck. Look how long this line go back. I'm talking about it goes back there. All the way back there. Shit. We would still be in that line. Good morning. You know, I like how she did that. Let me start doing that to Leggy. I like how she had his sports uniform on and had a sweater on top. Start doing that for Legend. I forgot to put my arm faja on. I definitely gotta get them together. Oh no, I made that the other day. I meal prepped. So I ain't cooking no breakfast. I'm meal prepped. We trying to lose weight over here. You feel me? We losing weight. We not eating all these damn meals in the day. Good morning. We not. Hell, he be alright.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
I don't be never cooking breakfast for real. I don't be cooking breakfast. I never liked breakfast for real. I never been the type that I can eat when I first wake up in the morning. So I made a salad. We only doing veggies and proteins, but he did get him some Jamaican food yesterday that he barely ate. So I kind of pieced that out for him. He had some curry goat and some red beans and rice, or some rice and peas, and sweet potatoes. So I put that in the glass container for him because I had baked salmon, and I made like a salad with all the little raw veggies and stuff. So, and I made a glass container of water, of cucumber and lemon water. Natural detox. That's all I ate yesterday. That's all I ate yesterday. I'm about to be right back home. Shit. He was supposed to ride with me this morning. Gonna change his mind last minute. I made the bed up and everything. He gonna come out like, why you make the bed up? I'm like, cause we about to go. You not riding with me? So he talking about, I changed my mind. I'm tired. Damn. Tired. We was both in, well, he got in bed after me. I always get, and he did wake up, okay. He did wake up and get out the bed. He'd be waking up in the middle of the night and just be up. Like, I'm talking about get out the bed, sit in the chair or sit on the couch and just be up. I'm like, what is you doing? I'm like, what is you doing? But fruits be having sugar, and I'm trying to stay away from sugar. I'm not doing no carbs, no sugar, no liquor this week. No carbs, no sugar, no liquor. No carbs, no sugar, no liquor. No carbs, no sugar, no liquor. I could have went like cold turkey on food in general and do that 3-day fast. But why when I could just do no carbs, no liquor, no sugar, you feel me, all week or forever or for however long I can go and just make it a lifestyle, add it to my diet, because them carbs is not my friend. If I stare at carbs too long, I'ma gain weight. I need to lose like 18 pounds. I need to lose like 18 pounds. And I'll be alright. For now. so good. I got some more of it, so I'm gonna eat it today. Like, I don't be eating before the gym. So when I get to the gym, I eat or drink their products. So I'll probably get me a fat burner, or I can get a meal replacement, but I usually just get the pre-workout. I like those pre-workouts. It gets me going, it gives me energy, you know, and I just start my workout with that, a pre-workout, and call it a day. For real, for real. And I'll be good. Even after the gym, I can leave the gym and still have energy and, you know, run some errands or go home and chill out, and then I'll eventually eat, like, once I get hungry. I think it's an appetite curve too, though. Because yesterday, that's all I ate. I had a pre-workout, and then that's no carb, no sugar, 15 calories. And then I had salmon and salad with light vinaigrette. With light vinaigrette dressing. I'm gonna get me a black coffee. I love black coffee because black coffee is a natural. It's like a detox for me. Black coffee, drink some black coffee, you'll detox, or a tea. Are you working on your bike? No creamer? Nope. I don't even need no creamer. Nope. I can literally just drink black coffee. That's it. Like, I can probably stop at Starbucks and get me a black coffee. I'm trying to think if I got coffee at home. I need a new coffee maker. I just realized that. I don't know where my coffee maker went. I don't even have it no more. I need a new coffee maker. I can't eat like some. Yeah, drink water. I made me some water. I made me some cucumber and lemon water. It's at home. I made some. I can just go home and just fill it out. A squat bike. Really? Once I started like getting on my gym fit stuff and detoxing anyways, it made drinking black coffee become like easier. Cause I couldn't drink black coffee at first either. I couldn't just drink no black coffee, but now I can. Cause I be thinking about just it being a natural detox and really detoxing my body and not putting the sugar in my body and stuff. So that's really what it was. You're getting so big now. All through the week. I need to get me some more outfits. I just got some new outfits. Blue just bought me some new workout outfits, but I want to lose a couple more pounds before I wear them, because I actually gained weight these last 2 months from, I don't know what. Okay, so this is what happened. So from April, May, and June, like, I was just stress eating and depressed, and I was just eating anything. I'm talking about like ice cream and sweets and chocolate and pop and all types of shit. And I was small through the whole time, right? In July, the weight caught up with me. Like, it caught up with me in July. So, July, we in August, so I'm working it off now. So, May and June, April, no, January, February, March, April. Okay. May and June, for 2 months, I was not at the gym. I was depressed. I was stressed out. And for them 2 months, I was not at the gym and I was eating all types of shit, even though I was still slim. But in July, that shit caught up with me. Just caught up with me in July. I got back in the gym. So now we are working off this bad eating habits. Oh, I'm way better. I finally, took back control of my life. So, it started July. August is the first month. I mean, I'm still like getting back in position, but I'm better. I'm not all the way back yet, but I'm there. Yeah, I thought it was the end of the fucking world. But anywho, God is good. God is great. I read my Bible last night, and it was actually good. I gotta go read today's word. See what today's word is talking about. Let's see what today's word is. Damn, I got home in like 11 minutes. I want to start meditating. I haven't got there yet. I've tried it. I just don't know what I'm doing. Bro, I literally got in my car to leave Legend School at 8:20. I'm really almost back. And it's only been 12 minutes. So I'm like 15 minutes. I'll be dashing. I'll be doing the dash. I'll be doing the dash, y'all. Everything I do is for you. You're getting so big now. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get up at 5:45 and see how that works. I'm going to set my alarm for 5:45. I'm just going to get up and just, slowly but surely just lollygag. Not really lollygag, but like get myself together. Damn, that tree fell down. Little branch broke. That crazy wind. I love broccoli. I love vegetables in general. I could eat me some broccoli. I like broccolini though. Broccolini is so good. Broccolini is so good. Broccolini is so good, y'all. Oh yeah, I love broccoli and cheese. So good.